Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, Thriving Together, the inspirational journey of Brew Bond. Owning a small cafe in 2023 is tough. Running one in a bustling city like Chicago, even tougher. And when that cafe doubles as a community hub, it can feel nearly impossible to keep everything afloat. Sara and her husband, David, opened Brew Bond, a cozy cafe offering locally sourced coffee and baked goods, in 2017. Their little corner of Chicago quickly became a beloved spot for both locals and visitors, known for its warm atmosphere and personal touch. They were thriving, building relationships and a strong customer base. By 2022, they had expanded to a second location and were looking forward to even more growth. But then, in early 2023, the unexpected hit, an economic downturn. On March 15, Sara and David made a gut-wrenching decision to temporarily close both locations to weather the storm. It wasn't easy. Their employees were like family. With heavy hearts, they had to lay off their staff but didn't leave them stranded. They assisted with unemployment applications, continued covering health insurance, and supported their team in any way they could. During the closure, they didn't sit idle. They stayed connected with their loyal customers through social media, sharing updates and checking in. When customers expressed a need for comfort during these stressful times, Sara and David decided to pivot. They began offering at-home coffee kits, complete with handwritten notes of encouragement. It wasn't much, but it kept the cafe alive, and more importantly, it kept the community together. By June, they were able to reopen, welcoming back their team and customers. Business wasn't booming, but they found a new rhythm, adapting to the changes and challenges. It was a tough road, but they remained focused on the positives, gratitude for their supportive community, their resilient team, and the lessons learned along the way. Sara and David realized that tough times, while challenging, also bring unexpected blessings. They now look at their cafe not just as a business, but as a testament to their ability to adapt, connect, and thrive, even in adversity. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Today's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of resilience and community. Sara and David faced a situation that many of us might find overwhelming, yet they didn't give up. Instead, they found ways to adapt and support their community, showing us all that even in the darkest times, there is light. Their actions demonstrate the strength of character we should all strive for, supporting others even when we're struggling, finding innovative ways to keep going, and focusing on the positives no matter how small they may seem. They remind us that resilience isn't just about surviving, it's about finding new ways to thrive. So, what can we take away from their experience? First, never underestimate the power of community and connection. Even when business was slow, Sara and David stayed engaged with their customers, which helped them stay afloat and ultimately bounce back. Second, remember that challenges can also bring new opportunities. By pivoting their business model, they discovered new ways to serve their community and keep their dream alive. Lastly, let's focus on what's within our control, our thoughts and actions. Sara and David chose to focus on the positives, which helped them weather the storm. We can do the same in our lives, turning challenges into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. I hope you are inspired by today's story, and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.